How's it going, everyone? It's Louis Crypto here. I'm back with another Trias update, and in today's video we're going to discuss where Trias Labs is going to in the immediate short term. I hope you guys did tune in yesterday. Before we continue with this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Now, in yesterday's update, I hope you guys did tune in, we were talking about this big volatility that we saw in yesterday's daily candle. At first, the beginning of the day, we saw a large dump back down to the low over here, and I explained the exact reasonings why we went down there. As you can see, there was a layer of support here that extended to this area, this neckline of the double bottom, and so if you were to ever lose that, you come back down to the support below that point, and then as it was still doing that same day and we reversed, we reclaimed this level and then go and attack that resistance over here that we see over here. So basically we're now trapped between these 2 points over here, consolidating. This is what we went into in depth detail yesterday, so if you haven't already, do check it out. I will link yesterday's video right at the end, so in the last 15 seconds of this video it should pop up or something like that. Now, the expectation that we said from yesterday's update is that if we fail to close above this golden area over here where you see these orange lines or gold lines, that this is still resistance. Again, where have I got these fibs from? Going through point A, point B, measuring this pump up to find where we dump to before continuation higher, unless the reversal wave is created by losing this key level of support, which we saw, that was then flipped into resistance and followed by continuation with lower lows even below the 200 EMA. But we quickly and swiftly got back above and confirmed that layer of previous resistance over here back into support right there in the last 2 days, or yesterday in fact. And so from that point we are having a go at breaking out above this golden pocket, as again previously we measured the fibs to find where we dump to continue. So if we ever want to go on this upward path again, the expectation to get that is to reclaim this level, and until those very moments this is going to stay as resistance. We should be expecting dumps from this point unless we get a beautiful big green candle. Now, there are some bullish divergences that we are seeing on Bitcoin. I'm not seeing any on the daily over here for Trias, but I am seeing some on Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin is currently sitting at, let me just double check, $26,400, and this could go up all the way up until 29 to 30k. So at that point we could actually see Trias reclaiming these levels, but it's not out of the woods yet. Can we now see if we look at, let me just get a box, this support of this head and shoulders pattern? So I just need to quickly show you what it is. Shoulder, head and shoulder. There was a layer of support over here, and if I draw an area we can see that this was then flipped into resistance over here. This is where we've got rejected again. We came all the way up until that 382, which is where this head and shoulders neckline is actually sitting. So if I were to mark this out, and yes, I know it is above the golden pocket, but this is now of interest for me simply because of the reasons just mentioned. We got a wick rejection right there on a previous neckline of a bearish pattern, and so even if we do climb back above those gold lines, as I said, we need to climb back above those gold lines, confirm them as support to head higher, to invalidate any further downside to $2.50 down here. Yes, this could still be happening as we are currently below the golden pocket, but as I've now shown you this neckline of this previous pattern over here, we can also say that the 382 at $4.18, or let's just say $4.20, also now needs to be reclaimed, and without that happening we're still on this bearish path. So we could be getting up to this price point. With that news, you could come even as high as $4.45. Let me see where $4.50 is. Even, yeah, on that wick, $4.50. So really and truly, we need to see that being cleared completely for us to have this extreme confidence that Trias is going to break this $4.90 high and head over to $5 plus. Until those moments, this pump that we're seeing on Bitcoin, a potential pump from this bullish divergence on Bitcoin on the daily time frame, even if it gets up to 30k, it wouldn't be enough to flip the trend bullish. It needs to reclaim 30k. So that's essentially like what's going on here with Trias. We need to reclaim $4.50 and clear all of these levels that need to be reclaiming. So the golden pocket over here, this purple box, as well as this yellow line. Why? Because it's the shoulder, and usually the shoulders are the true resistance. This is your neckline support, and this is the true resistance, and the head is the fake out. How do we know? Because we pumped through it like it was butter, came straight back underneath it. Why didn't we hold it as support and we flipped it back into resistance over there? So yeah, $4.50. If that is cleared, then yeah, there's no argument, we are going to continue higher. Until those very moments, there's the risk still of heading all the way back down, yes, to $2.50. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video update if you can. Turn on that notification bell too. I think you need to be subscribed to do that, and I think over 50% of you unfortunately not. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. If you want 3 months free in my Discord community, use the links in the description and pinned comment section to message me on x.com to see if you have the requirements to get in there for free for 3 months. If you just want to join anyway, you can do so. Otherwise, check out the website for the mentorship plan as well as the course, or just private message me for more details. Cheers.